Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. How to stop rust on your trailer. 5 proven prevention tips. Rust can sneak up on any trailer if you're not careful. Exposure to moisture, road salt, and harsh weather speeds up corrosion, eating away at metal over time. Left unchecked, rust weakens your trailer's structure and shortens its lifespan. But with the right steps, you can stop it before it starts, keeping your trailer safe and durable for years. Here are 5 practical ways to prevent rust and protect your investment. From simple cleaning habits to protective coatings, these tips will help you stay ahead of the damage. Let's get into it. Choose the right materials. Picking the best materials for your trailer is like choosing armor. Some metals hold up against rust better than others. If you start with the right foundation, you'll spend less time fighting corrosion later. The secret? Materials like galvanized steel or aluminum, plus smart coatings that add an extra layer of protection. Galvanized steel versus aluminum. Galvanized steel is a go-to for trailers because it's tough and rust-resistant. The steel gets dipped in molten zinc, creating a barrier against moisture. It's strong, handles heavy loads well, and costs less than aluminum up front. But over time, scratches or wear can expose the metal underneath, so keeping an eye on the coating is key. Aluminum, on the other hand, naturally fights rust since it forms a protective oxide layer when exposed to air. It's lighter than steel, which means better fuel efficiency, and it won't corrode like untreated steel. The downside? It's pricier and can dent more easily. If you haul heavy loads often, steel's extra strength might be worth it. Here's a quick breakdown. Galvanized steel. Strong, affordable, great for heavy-duty use, just watch for coating damage. Aluminum. Lightweight, rust-proof, and low maintenance, but costs more and isn't as rigid. Benefits of powder coating. Powder coating takes rust protection to the next level. Instead of liquid paint, a dry powder gets electrostatically applied and baked onto the metal. The result? A tough finish that resists chipping, fading, and, most importantly, rust. Here's why it beats traditional paint. Durability. Powder coating bonds to the metal, creating a thicker shield than paint. Salt, rain, and UV rays don't stand a chance. Eco-friendly. No solvents mean fewer fumes and less waste. Smooth finish. Uneven brush strokes or runs? Not here. The coating goes on evenly for a clean look. Pair a strong material like galvanized steel or aluminum with powder coating, and your trailer will stay rust-free for years. It's an investment now that saves headaches later. Regular cleaning and maintenance. A clean trailer is a rust-free trailer. Over time, dirt, road salt, and grime build up, trapping moisture against the metal, exactly what rust needs to take hold. Regular cleaning removes these threats and keeps your trailer in top shape. Stick to a routine, use the right products, and you'll stop corrosion before it starts. Frequency of cleaning. How often should you wash your trailer? It depends on where and how you use it. After every trip. If you tow through wet or salty conditions, like coastal areas or winter roads, rinse off salt and debris right away. Letting it sit speeds up rust. Seasonal deep clean. Even with quick rinses, give your trailer a thorough wash every few months. Focus on hard-to-reach spots like wheel wells and undercarriage, before storage. Clean and dry your trailer completely before parking it long-term. Leftover dirt or moisture can cause hidden rust over time. A little effort now saves costly repairs later. Recommended cleaning products. Not all cleaners are safe for trailer metal. Harsh chemicals can strip protective coatings or scratch surfaces. Stick to pH-neutral options that lift grime without damage. Here's what works best. Mild soap and water. Simple dish soap or car wash soap cuts through grease without harming metal. Mix with warm water for stubborn dirt. Vinegar solution. For light rust spots or mineral deposits, mix white vinegar and water, 1:1. Wipe on, rinse off quickly to avoid prolonged acid contact. Specialty trailer cleaners. Products like Simple Green or Purple Power are tough on grime but safe for painted or coated surfaces. Soft brushes and microfiber towels. Avoid steel wool or stiff bristles, they scratch. Use a soft brush for crevices and microfiber for drying. Pair these with a garden hose or pressure washer, under 1200 psi to avoid stripping coatings. The goal is to clean effectively, not aggressively. Finally, always dry your trailer after washing. Trapped water defeats the purpose. A leaf blower or chamois cloth helps remove moisture from tight spots. That's it, simple habits that make a big difference. Up next, protecting your trailer with sealants and coatings. Apply protective coatings. A good trailer coating is like sunscreen for metal, it blocks the elements that cause rust. Without it, moisture and salt creep in, eating away at the surface. The right protective layer stops corrosion before it starts, extending your trailer's life. Here's how to choose and apply the best coatings. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.